Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitiya. My name is Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you solar drying in Principles of Food Preservation subject. Now let's start with the topic. First of all, what is solar dryer? Solar dryers are the devices that are use solar energy to dry the substances, especially food. There are two general types of solar dryers: direct solar dryer or indirect solar dryers. Direct solar dryer expose the substance to be dehydrated to direct sunlight, and they have a black absorbing surface which collects the light and converts it into the heat, and the substance to be dried is placed directly on this surface. These dryers may have enclosures, glass covers, and or vents to in order to increase efficiency. Then indirect solar dryers, the black surface and heats incoming air rather than directly heating the substance to be dried. This heated air is then passed over the substance and exits through a chimney, taking moisture from the substance with it. What is the need of solar dryer? In rainy season and winters, due to presence of moisture, for foul smell develops in food grains, and there is full possibility of development of pests. It can also be used as a filter. It makes us rid of spreading food grains which was required earlier at regular period of time. Then drying is direct sun has the risk of damaging the complete harvest by rainfall and dehydration of fruits and potatoes, onions and other vegetables, and seasoning of wood and timber. Then construction of solar dryer is for solar panel. It is of 12 volt to and 10 watts. Electric motor has 150 rpm and black absorbing wooden chamber, glass cover that traps the heat generated and act as an insulator. Electric bulb denoting sun is basically 200 watts, and plastic container to collect sand, pebbles and impurities. Then the principle of solar dryer is conservation of energy, in which one form of energy is converted into the other form of energy, and black body which absorbs the heat of the incident sunlight and makes the temperature of the chamber more than the surrounding temperature. Then what are the advantages of solar dryer? Much less time is required for drying as compared to direct drying because of the black body. Protection of the drying products from insects, but also from birds, dogs, especially for drying meat and fish. The product is hygienic because microorganisms, insects and flies are killed. Protection of rain, protection from pollution by dust, etc., and protection from the wind which can blow away the food. Then what is the working principle of solar dryer? Sunlight falls on the whole apparatus. Solar energy is converted into the electric energy by the solar panel, and this electrical energy is converted into the mechanical energy by the electric motor which rotates the rod. Basically, the conservation of energy takes place. Then wooden chamber absorbs the sunlight and generates the heat, and after some time inner temperature becomes much larger than the outer temperature. Covering glass restrict the flow of heat outside, and it can also be used as a filter by which dirt, sand, mustard seeds can be removed and can be collected in plastic box. Then what are the improvements or advancement in solar dryers? In our project there are four advancements in there. No, solar panel can be censored to the movement of sun as sunflower, so that then the electrical energy produced by the solar panel can be stored in a battery which can be used when sunlight is not available. Temperature sensors can be used which can control overheating of food grains and automatic refilling of the container. Then what are the limitations of solar dryer? Not workable at night. Efficiency decreases at a large extent on cloudy days, and overheating may occur if regular attention is not paid. Then due to overheating, it can decrease the quality of food. Change in taste and flavor of food may occur if regular monitoring is not done, and we cannot get the accurate amount of sun rays and heat. So the conclusion is, in a country like India, where 300 days out of 365 days are sunny, have a huge asset of solar energy. Government is also promoting the use of renewable sources of energy like solar energy by providing subsidies on solar pumps, solar water heater, solar panels, solar lights, so on. We should take advantage of these schemes. And use of solar energy cost us nothing, just only solar panel. Sunlight is free of cost and sun is non-finishing source of energy. Almost every year there are news of rotten food grains in newspaper, which causes a huge loss to the farmer. But if we design those godowns on the concept of black body, then such conditions will not occur. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.